Alright, so today we're going to be doing a program called doing Pointer Arithmetic, and it's just going to do a basic math functions. Let's go ahead and get started with our declarations. So we got an integer array with the declared elements inside, and then we also declare a pointer to that integer array, as the syntax goes here, with that notable asterisk next to the pointer. Pointer is just simply, PTR is simply the variable name we gave it. Okay. And for our first actual function statement, it's going to look something like this. Well, we do a cout with end line, we add the string in there, and then we output PTR, which is going to be the memory address, and then the next string, and then the next value we're going to get is the asterisk PTR, which is going to get us the integer value. Let's go ahead and run it. Sure enough, this is what a memory address looks like. We got that. And then we get the value, which is the first integer value. Alright, moving on. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and do an incrementer, and it's going to look like this, PTR++, and then this will increment to the next element. Sure enough, we move on to the next memory address, and the value is 2, just like the next element. Next, what we can do at this point is to further move it along with just another incrementer, which will get us to 3. Here, what we're doing is we're decrementing, moving it back 2 slots. This should give us back our original value. Let's go ahead and watch. Sure enough, it does give us the same exact memory address and the same integer value, and this is the syntax for decrementing: minus equals and then the amount you want to go back. Okay, and here we're going to do a for loop. So we're going to go ahead and initialize an integer value I equals 0. We're going to check for a condition of it being less than 10, and then we're going to add a counter right here. So here will be some simple cout statements, outputting the value of I as it goes through the loop. Here we'll get us the value of the pointer, and then here we'll go ahead and increment the pointer as it moves along. Let's go ahead and play it. So sure enough, since it initializes at 0, it'll start at 0. And as we start adding into it, it'll be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here at the pointer, the array element, the very first array element is going to be 1, 2, because it always starts off at the first. But then once you start modifying it, it'll move on to to reach the very end, or until you hit this condition at least. And yeah, that's how we do a little bit of arithmetic with pointers.